Hey everybody, so another box I got from Target was this 10 packs of basketball cards. I think it was for $12, so almost $1 a pack. They didn't have the big packs, the big boxes with the packs like the football for 20 bucks. But basketball cards do well in my buddy's stationery store. We sell cards, and usually the basketball cards sell the fastest, so I always pick them up when I can. See if I can do this without destroying everything. What? Wow. That is tight. Come on. There we go. So you got to do both sides here. Rip this bad boy open. Alright, you know what? This is easier. Well, they secure them, I'll tell you that much. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's do this. See what we get. 14-15 hoops. Base. Insert of Russell Westbrook. And then Damian Lillard. And then base. We have 13-14 retail hoops. Just like in the football boxes, I figured a lot would be retail. Just because it's cheaper for them to put them in. I guess as an insert, red Brandon Rush. And a gold Luol Deng. And then it feels glossier. Okay. Then we have a, what year is this? I don't know, maybe 13-14 Kansas. Really? 2 packs of that? If there's an autograph in one of these. Sorry, I don't know much about these. Monumental Moments. So I guess these are all just base. Wilt Chamberlain. Oh, Wilt Chamberlain is an insert. Jayhawk Legacy. And the rest look like just base. Another one of these. What year is this? I see 13 on it, so 13, 14... 12, 13. Paul Pierce, Jayhawk Legacy insert. Maybe Final Four Legacy is, yep, Final Four Legacy is an insert. Oops, sorry. I'm glaring, I didn't see it. And then maybe Hall of Fame. Oh, another insert, Hall of Fame. James Naismith. And then those are just base. Okay. Another hoops. This is 11-12 or 12-13 hoops. This product has a lot of hoops products. It might be a rookie card. Okay, base. Another one of those hoops packs. Brandon Beal, I think that's his rookie. So it's this is 12-13 hoops? Okay. Then we have 10-11 classic, classics rack pack, or value pack as they call them. Do this up, destroying everything. Base. Insert of Paul Westphal. And just base. And the bottom half of that. I guess that's maybe a rookie of LaMarcus Aldridge, or just some sort of throwback insert. Okay. We have a lovely Hoops from an older one, 90. So maybe 90, 91 Hoops. Although some of these, you can get like a Jordan insert in one of these older packs. Jordan right on top. Some of those Jordan inserts are worth money. I don't know if they have those in here. Oh, they do. All-Star West, AC Green. So that might just be a regular base card. Who's this? Blue Edwards. Hey, at least we got a Jordan out of that. It's fun to get. We have a Skybox Inaugural Edition. This is probably 90-91 again. So I'm not pleased with this. I can tell you right now, just the quality of the packs. Wasn't expecting anything great, but it was all Hoops products. These used to be fun opening back in the day. Kiki Vanderway. David Robinson. I do remember these packs back in the day. They were fun. And then another NBA Hoops. This is the last pack. Sorry that took so long for such a small box. Dennis Rodman. Shorts. Patrick Ewing. Miami Heat. Alright guys, so that was it. Nothing to recap. Just some inserts, some rookies. And that was it. Thanks guys.